So hello, greetings from Lambeth Conference, day 11, penultimate day. And some more calls that the bishops have been considering today. Two really big issues. We had one on the environment and sustainable development, carrying on from last week when we were really spending a whole day exploring that in London. And then a call on science and faith. So the sustainable development, the environment call, that actually felt like that should maybe be the call that this conference was about. The big issue that is in the room here for so many people. The number of people in low-lying islands, serving indigenous communities, parts of Africa where climate change is causing such chaos. And in the call, we went into immediate actions that we can take in our local churches, whether we're in the developed, the global north, or the more vulnerable global south, and also lobbying of government, of financial systems, challenging companies, all the things as a large multi-million member church, the Anglican Communion, can do to try and make a difference. I came away with a sense in my group of bishops that it can be overwhelming. What can we possibly do when faced with climate change and global warming? But even the small things, not using single-use plastics, beach cleans, trying to use sustainable products, they're all signs that we can make a difference. The prophetic voice for the big challenges need to happen, but the small things are signs. And the second call, the science call, follows the same sort of idea. It is science and technology in large part that will help the world face climate change, food shortages, so many issues of inequality and poverty. But there's still sometimes a sense that science and faith are seen as in opposition to each other, or there's a gap between them. But we came away saying that the perception of a rift between science and faith should be laid to rest in every part of the Anglican Communion. Clergy, churches should be scientifically literate to be able to assist in ethical decisions, to be community leaders encouraging, say, vaccine take-up in times of COVID, or even just helping people understand that the Bible doesn't contradict science. There's different ways of approaching Scripture which from a scientific worldview can be helpful, they can make sense. So I'm the science bishop for the Scottish Episcopal Church, and that's going to be a piece of work that will continue in the next few years, and I hope we'll have some training and some guidance. So much to talk about today, so much to take back home, but it's been a really good, fruitful day today.